Hey, hello, and welcome back to your own channel, Alok Joshi Words and Life. Last 6 episodes, we have been learning English idioms and their usage. This video also, we are going to learn beautiful English idioms with one particular word. Before going ahead, let me ask you whether you have completed your last video's assignment or not. Eat your heart out. I asked you to draw out the meaning of eat your heart out idiom. If you have done it, good job done. If not, then let me tell you, eat your heart out means when you are saying somebody that I am superior to you, I have done a great job, or I have achieved something better than you, at least this time. How to use that? Suppose Rahul and Rohit, they are two students of a particular college. Every time Rahul represents that college for some competition, for some stage shows or whatever the college arranges. But this time Rohit scored over Rahul and Rohit was chosen to represent the college. So now Rohit in excitement says, yes, this time I got selected for representing the college. Eat your heart out, Rahul. So Rohit says, this time I am superior. So you don't think that you only can do that. I can also do it. Eat your heart out, Rahul. So basically this idiom is followed by the name of the person you are saying that you have done a good job or you are superior to that person for that particular event. So eat your heart out. So let's go ahead with today's video and beautiful English idioms with the word. Let me do that. Have you ever done this? Have you ever cut something? Yeah, we all have done at one point of time. So today's idioms will be with the word cut. Cut, cut, cut. Lights, camera, action. And if something goes wrong, cut, cut, cut. Hey, has it ever happened that you found some shortcut of the task given to you in order to do it faster? Yes, we all have done that. So what did you do in that particular time? You cut corners. You cut corners. Cutting corners means you find shortcut of doing something. It may be beneficial immediately, but it may not be beneficial for you in a long run. It could be illegal also. So cutting corner means finding the shortcut, but it's not sure whether it is good for long term or not. The accountant cut corners to save taxes of the company, but eventually this is not good for the company as well as for the country because you are evading the taxes, right? If Rahul is preparing for the government exams, he has to work longer hours. He has to study for nights also because you cannot pass those exams by cutting corners. You have to study harder. Cutting corners. आपको स्टडी करनी पड़ेगी. You cannot cut corners. Cut corners means आप छोटे छोटे रास्ते ढूंढते हैं कोई चीज़ को जल्दी करने के, लेकिन वो लॉन्ग टर्म में आपके लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद नहीं होता है. So don't cut corners. बचपन में ऐसे बहुत बार होता था. मैं और मेरा भाई आपस में बहुत ज़्यादा लड़ा करते थे. आप लोगों के साथ भी ऐसा हुआ होगा. तो जब बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती थी लड़ाई, तो उसके बाद में बीच में मदर आकर के फादर आकर कूद जाते थे और बोलते थे बस बहुत हो गया, कट इट आउट. कट इट आउट. Cut it out means to stop doing something. Whatever you are doing, just stop doing something. And usually it is associated with the avoidable things. It is associated with the things which are to be stopped right now. So stop doing something. So me and my friend were quarreling a lot, although the issue was very minute or it was not to be very much bothered about, but we were fighting for many days, and in between our third best friend came and said, cut it out yaar, just be friends once again. We are meant to be the best friends. Cut it out. कट इट आउट का मतलब होता है कि किसी चीज़ को स्टॉप कर देना, रोक देना. जब कोई चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है, लोग परेशान हो जाते हैं, तो उसके बाद में आप यूज़ करते हैं कट इट आउट. कोई एक ऑफिस में कलीग है लेकिन वो बहुत दिनों से काम अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है और बॉस चाहता है कि यार वो अच्छा काम करे. सो बॉस विल से कट इट आउट यार, स्टार्ट डूइंग द गुड वर्क, आई नीड द बेस्ट ऑफ द परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम यू. कट इट आउट, स्टार्ट डूइंग गुड वर्क, कट इट आउट. Has it ever happened with you that you wanted to know something immediately that's very urgent for you? You go to your friend and he or she starts telling you the stories and you get frustrated and you said, boss, come to the point, yaar, I want to know this thing immediately. Come to the point, or cut to the chase. Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase means you're saying somebody, come to the point, tell me this particular thing, don't tell me the stories. Mohan, an accountant, wanted to complete the task given by the boss immediately, so he went to Rahul, who knows the Excel very well. He said, boss, give me the tips and tricks so that I can complete the task as soon as possible. But Rahul started telling the story of his last night party, how he cut the cake, how they enjoyed the drinks and how the food was so delicious. Mohan got frustrated. Mohan said, Rahul, cut to the chase, boss, give me those tips and tricks because I want to achieve this task as soon as possible. Please cut to the chase. Come to the point. आप आपके शरारती दोस्तों के पास जाते हैं अपनी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स लेकर के, लेकिन वो धीरे धीरे मजाक उड़ाना चालू कर देते हैं, अपनी मस्ती में रहते हैं, लेकिन आप एक समय में फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं. आप कहते हैं, भाई कट टू द चेज यार, मुझे ये चीज़ बताओ, पहले ये वाला प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो, फिर बाद में मैं तुम्हारे साथ में मस्ती करूंगा. प्लीज़ कट टू द चेज, आई वॉन्ट टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम राइट नाउ, आई विल एंजॉय विथ यू लेटर. प्लीज़ कट टू द चेज. आप सबसे मुझे एक बात पूछनी है, क्या आपने कभी वो मस्टर्ड काटी है, वो सरसों मस्टर्ड, वो हथियार लेकर के खेतों में जाकर के मस्टर्ड काटी है? नहीं, लेकिन आपने अपने माँ बाप का सपना पूरा किया होगा, आपने अपने बॉस का जो एक्सपेक्टेशन है वो पूरा किया होगा, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में जाकर के उनके साथ मस्ती की होगी, उन्होंने कुछ बोला होगा, आपने उनके साथ जाकर के वो उनकी इच्छा पूरी की होगी. तो यू कट द मस्टर्ड. You cut the mustard. Cutting the mustard. Cutting the mustard means come up to the expectations of somebody. Our boss, our parents, our wives, our children, they all have some expectations from us. If we fulfill those expectations, we can say that we cut the mustard. See, Mohan prepared for the government exams for so long time that he was about to give up. But since his parents brought him up with the great difficulties, he wanted to do something for his parents. This time he prepared so well and he cleared the government exams. He cut the mustard and now his parents are happy. मोहन ने अपने माता पिता के उम्मीदों को पूरा किया, उसने वो एग्ज़ाम पास की और आज उसके माता पिता खुश हैं. सो मोहन कट दी मस्टर्ड. किसी के सपनों को पूरा करना, किसी के उम्मीदों को पूरा करना. कट दी मस्टर्ड. आप में से बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होंगे जिनके यहाँ पर पेट डॉग्स होंगे और आपने इन पेट डॉग्स के लिए कभी ना कभी बोन्स लाई हुई होंगी और उनको दी होगी. तो वो धीरे धीरे क्या करते हैं, उस बोन्स को खाना चालू करते हैं, चबाना चालू करते हैं और बाद में उसको एकदम छोटा सा कर देते हैं. एंड देन यू ब्रिंग द न्यूअर पीस फॉर देम. सो व्हाट डू दे डू? They cut the bones. So our next idiom is related to that only. Cut to the bone. Cut to the bone. Cut to the bone means to reduce something to the bare minimum amount. To reduce something to the maximum possible extent. किसी चीज़ को बिल्कुल कम से कम में ला करके रख देना. During the lockdown period, the company's expenses were cut to the bone. During the lockdown time, the salaries of the employees were cut to the bone, right? The businesses were cut to the bone. बहुत ज़्यादा बिजनेस कम हो गए, कई लोगों की जॉब चली गई. The employments were cut to the bone, right? So it's like cut to the bone means किसी चीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा कम में लेकर के आ जाना, bare minimum में लेकर के आ जाना. Cut to the bone. So today we have seen 5 beautiful idioms with the word cut. First was cut corners. Second, cut to the chase. Third, cut it out. Fourth, cut the mustard, and fifth, cut to the bone. So I hope कट से चालू होने वाले ये 5 इडियम आपको पसंद आए होंगे. आप इनको अपनी डे टू डे इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस में यूज करेंगे एंड यू विल बिकम मोर एफिशिएंट, मोर फ्लुएंट एंड मोर इंप्रेसिव इन योर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग. So the time has come for today's task, today's assignment. You have to find out the meaning of one idiom, cut somebody to the quick. Cut somebody to the quick. आपको इस idiom का meaning निकालना है, cut somebody to the quick, और इसका एक sentence बनाना है, इसका meaning निकालना है और comment box में लिखना है. लिखेंगे तो अच्छा होगा क्योंकि आपकी ही इंग्लिश अच्छी होने वाली है. नहीं होगा तो फिर I'm there, don't worry about that. So we'll meet in the next video with 5 new idioms. Till that time, use those idioms and improve your English. My name is Alok Joshi. Watching you smiling over there. We'll meet again with the same smile. Thank you very much. और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिए. Thank you very much.